There's a reason the lion is called the king.
Not because it's the biggest. Not because it's the fastest. Not even because it wins every fight. But because of how it thinks. Because of how it moves. Because of how it carries itself. A lion doesn't ask for permission. A lion doesn't wait for approval. A lion doesn't look around to see what others are doing before it acts. It decides, and then it moves. That's the mindset you've been missing. Not more motivation. Not more information. A different way of thinking. Right now, you're living like prey. You hesitate. You overthink. You doubt yourself. You wait for the perfect moment. You wait until you feel ready. You wait until everything makes sense. But lions don't wait. Because in the wild, waiting is weakness. Opportunity doesn't come twice. And neither does time. Look at how a lion hunts. It doesn't chase everything. It doesn't waste energy on distractions. It watches. Patient, focused, silent. And when the moment comes, it commits. Fully. No hesitation. No second guessing. No looking back. That's what you're missing. Commitment. You start things, but you don't finish. You get excited, then you fade. You say you want more, but your actions don't match. A lion doesn't move like that. When it locks in, it finishes. You say you're tired, but you're not tired. You're distracted. You're unfocused. You're scattered. Your energy is everywhere except where it matters. A lion doesn't scroll. A lion doesn't compare. A lion doesn't waste time watching others live the life it wants. It acts. And that's the difference between you and the person you could become. The lion doesn't need validation. It doesn't need applause. It doesn't need people to believe in it. It knows who it is. That's power. Right now, you're looking outside for something that should come from within. Approval, confidence, direction. But the truth is, the moment you stop needing validation, you become dangerous. Because now, your actions are not controlled by opinions. They're controlled by purpose.
A lion walks alone. Not because it has to, but because it can. It's comfortable in silence. Comfortable in isolation. Comfortable with itself. Most people can't handle that. They need noise. They need distraction. They need constant stimulation to avoid facing themselves. But growth doesn't happen in noise. It happens in silence. It happens when it's just you, and your thoughts, and your discipline. There will be days when nothing feels right. Days when you don't feel motivated. Days when everything feels heavy. That's where most people stop. That's where they quit. But that's where the lion shows up. Not when it's easy. Not when it's exciting. When it's hard. When it's uncomfortable. When every part of you wants to stop. But you keep going anyway. That's what builds strength. Not comfort. Resistance. You don't become powerful by thinking about it. You become powerful by doing the things others avoid. Waking up when you don't feel like it. Working when you don't feel like it. Staying consistent when nothing is working. That's the difference. The lion mindset isn't loud. It's not about showing off. It's quiet, focused, relentless, Right now, your biggest enemy isn't the world. It's you. Your habits. Your excuses. Your comfort zone. Every time you choose easy over hard, you weaken yourself. Every time you delay, you lose momentum. Every time you quit, you reinforce failure. And over to me, that becomes your identity. But it doesn't have to stay that way. You can change, not by talking, not by planning endlessly, by deciding right now that you're done being average, done being distracted, done being inconsistent. And once you decide, you act immediately. A lion doesn't announce its move. It doesn't tell everyone what it's about to do. It just does it. Silently, powerfully, and suddenly, everything changes. That's how you need to move. Less talking, more doing, less explaining, more proving.
You don't need more time. You need more focus. You don't need more ideas. You need more execution. You don't need perfect conditions. You need discipline. Because discipline is what separates the weak from the strong, the distracted from the focused, the average from the unstoppable. Think about the person you could become. Stronger, sharper, more disciplined. That version of you isn't far away. It's built daily, through choices, through actions, through consistency. And here's the truth most people avoid. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to push you every day. No one is going to hand you success. It's on you, completely. And once you accept that, you stop waiting, Dudka. You stop blaming. You start taking control. That's when everything shifts. That's when you stop being reactive and start being intentional. That's when your actions align with your goals. That's when you become dangerous. So ask yourself, are you going to keep living like prey? Reacting, hesitating, waiting? Or are you going to step into something stronger? More focused, more disciplined, more controlled. Because the lion mindset isn't about being fearless. It's about acting despite fear. It's about moving forward, even when it's hard. It's about becoming someone who doesn't break under pressure, but grows from it. At the end of the day, you already know what you need to do. You've always known. The only question is, will you finally do it? Or will you keep waiting until time runs out? The lion doesn't wait, and neither should you.